So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do finger coils. Alright, so for the first step, what you guys want to do is that you guys want to wash your hair just to get rid of all that gunk, and make sure to use warm water to open up the cuticles. I did have gel in my hair, so I was just making sure that got properly washed out. Now I'm going to take my Aussie shampoo. Alright, so I take my shampoo and I apply it to my roots, and I'm not scratching my scalp. No, don't do that. I'm using the tip of my fingernails to massage my scalp. The reason why we use shampoos is to clean our scalp, so there's no reason why your scalp shouldn't be clean after shampooing. And make sure you guys remember not to scratch your scalp. It's actually so important. Alright, so I washed out the shampoo. And then I'm going to go in with my conditioner. And after applying the conditioner, I'm going to use some elastics to section my hair. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the process of this section being detangled. And then I just rake the conditioner onto my section. I added some water to give my hair a little bit more slip. Alright, so I take my wide tooth comb and I start detangling my ends and work my way down to my roots. I like to use a detangling brush after using the wide tooth comb. So I ended up using the Demon brush after I used the wide tooth comb. Most people don't know this, but the Demon brush was actually meant for detangling. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Gel to do my finger coils. This is what it looks like. Alright, so after I detangled my ends, I just smoothed the gel onto my section. Like, bro, y'all, look at my curls, bro. Holy. Alright, so now I take two of my fingers and put them right by my roots, and then with the rest of the hair, I just go in a circular motion until I get the nice defined curl that I wanted. This whole process to do my whole head didn't really take that long. It probably took me about like an hour and like 30 minutes. Alright, so this is the last coil I'm going to be showing until my whole head is finished. And this is what my hair looks like after completely finishing. I actually really like the results. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Brizel blow dryer. I really like this blow dryer because it dries my hair really fast, and that is so important because I know some of you guys are always late to school or late to work and be like, I don't have time to diffuse my hair or anything like that. With the Brizel blow dryer, time is definitely not a problem. This blow dryer included diffuser is perfect for curly hair. It helps define your curls while minimizing frizz and boost volume. This blow dryer is also very light, so my hand wasn't hurting at all during this whole process. If this is something you guys are interested in buying, the link will be in my description, and make sure to use code ZAMARIHR25 for a 15% off discount. But anyways, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.